Wastage occurs at every level of the food chain: production, storage, and consumption. And due to multiple factors, external ones like insects and pests, or the food might simply rot with time. Irrespective of the agent causing wastage, visual indicators always precede spoilage. Stakeholders often rely on the power of the naked eye to detect these indications, a tool that is slow and inaccurate. Biosensors and other advanced visual processing setups, although accurate, are expensive, inaccessible, and tedious to use. Team Vigyaan realized that by making such technology available to a majority of the population via easy-to-use mobile phone applications, we could move one step closer to feeding a billion people. Hyperspectral imaging using the flash of an ordinary camera phone with cellophane filters costing under 50 cents allowed us to analyze food and predict spoilage with over 75% accuracy. Let us see FoodWatch's impact across the food value chain. Our stakeholder interview with Gyan highlighted the suboptimal nature of farming at the rural level. Enter FoodWatch. At virtually no additional cost, farmers end up growing much more food as they plant the best seeds. Any disease or infestation is detected early and losses are reduced. Food is then stocked at storage centers for time periods as long as 5 to 7 years. This is the biggest side of food loss. FoodWatch keeps an eye on entire go-downs, making sure that food that is closer to spoilage is distributed first and infested sections are separated well in advance. Ultimately, food reaches us, the consumer. As bulk shoppers, our inability to consume fresh produce in time causes food wastage. Using our smartphones, we can know what is spoiling when. For food leftover, we link consumers to an Uber-like sharing economy, where food that would have been wasted otherwise is donated, sold, or exchanged, matching real-time demand and supply. So we at FoodWatch aim to provide end-to-end food quality estimation using hyperspectral imaging, empowering local stakeholders to save 75% of wasted food.